All right, all right. Another day, another dollar. Um, I was just taking a quick look at FedEx here. I'm watching it trade off a little bit. They missed their EP earnings per share projection, so it's trading off a little. I think it came in a little lighter than expected. But let's take a quick look at the SPX. I mean, in the 5 minute, that last bar was pretty negative. That's it's really an inside bar for the 60 minute right here, and the momentum looks pretty bullish. Um, I'm thinking that the sell off into the close was more daily profit taking than anything else. You have the Feds tomorrow. Don't really think they're going to up the interest rates, but they may start talking about tapering. It's about time that they do. And I suppose everybody's kind of expecting it. There may be a knee-jerk reaction, but I think we're looking good. So that's an inside bar. Really doesn't mean anything. It kind of sucks. I mean, you play these on a break either way, but I would probably wait for a break of the high or the low before I made any moves. Things are kind of scary. We made a new low. I think eventually we're going to come up and test this range right here. Probably 44.95, maybe 45.900, and then turn around, put another bottom in. Hopefully it wouldn't be a lower bottom. If it's a higher low, then it's a good consolidation. But the momentum still looks a little heavy on the downside. We'll have to see what tomorrow holds. You really just can't call it. You have the Feds out there. I mean, basically the way this market traded over the past 2 days, it's just gives you indecisiveness. If this would have closed down solidly, I would be convinced that we were going to continue and move down. But it shot right back. And this tail right here, that's the Chinese effect. This is where we should have made the low and bounced around, kind of did this. So you want to see it hold this low. That's it. You don't want it to break that low. And then I'd like to see another test, and that's a good buying opportunity if you want to add to your portfolios. Whoops. Actually, we can go through, Jesus Christ, I keep doing that. We can go through everything, but the reality is that, what the hell is that? The reality is that really the technicals are out the window, man. Yeah, because this is just reaction to first China, and then now just waiting on the Fed for tomorrow. So I mean, I don't think I'm going to run through everything. What's actually, if you're smart, you just back away from the market right now and let it play out, and um, take another look at it tomorrow and see which way you go. This is AMC. Looks like it's going to put a reversal in. Look for it to test another low here on the 60, and then you can take an entry on the break of the high of 39.66. Again, I don't think this short squeeze is happening in this thing. It's been lower, so there's no problem here. But eventually, I do believe that's going to fall apart. I mean, if it bounces off of here and continues up and breaks this high right there, the high of 52.79, then I mean, that's a good healthy consolidation, closed up all the gaps, and and probably is going to maintain that trading range for a while until some bad fundamentals come out on the company. So that's about it. Bitcoin's just falling apart because of regulatory issues and liquidity issues. China's going to play a big role in that. So it looks very negative. Stay away. I think you'd be around the 33 range, 34,000 range. That's a good buying opportunity. So that's all I'm going to do. That's it in a nutshell. Just remember to stay calm and stay cool and trade at peace.